In this video, we will show you how to use the knife tool and create a split monogram. Let's make a monogram. When you start the Monogram tool, you can customize all monogramming options on this dialog. First, you need to type the monogram characters. Now you can define the size, so type the width and height. For the text of the monogram, you can select any font you like. Now choose the monogram layout. From this drop-down list, you can select among the available arrangements for the letters. As you can see, the appearance changes to reflect the chosen option. Finally, you can choose a frame for the monogram. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will not use any frame. Once you are done, the dialog closes and the monogram is created. To edit the inserted monogram, just use the available options on the Tools option bar. You can further edit the monogram using the Edit Notes mode. Adjust the monogram template and change the overlapping order of the letters. Now, we can draw a line over the monogram in the way that we want it to be cut. Select the monogram along with the line, right-click, and from the appearing menu, use the knife option. The monogram is now cut in two pieces, whereas the line we drew was practically the knife's cutting edge. Now we can move those halves up and down and create an area for a slogan. Let's type some text. Position the text as you like. Add decoration lines if you want to. And even experiment with the look of the letters.